been 210 days since I made the video of me planting the ginger into this pot, and I have to say it's doing pretty good. It's somewhere around the middle of November, which is something like the middle of April for all of you who live in the land up over the equator. So mid-November, before I started to see any new shoots, and from December on, so from the 1st of December at the beginning of each month, I put a handful of the composted pelletized chicken manure on top of the pot, watered it in really well. Then after that we had quite a wet summer for us here in my warm temperate climate, so it really did take off and get a good growth on. I'm pretty sure the roots haven't travelled through the pot into the soil surface, so everything that's happened has happened in the pot. I also placed the pot here at the base of my mandarin tree, mainly as a space saving thing, because you're not going to be digging up the soil around the base of the citrus, because they have the shallow root system, so it's space that doesn't get used. And also the other benefit is that any nutrient that gets leached out of the pot into the soil can be taken up by the citrus tree as well. So I'm almost at the end of the second month of autumn for me here, so winter's just around the corner, but I won't harvest at the moment. They're still growing, albeit pretty slow. And the other thing I want to do is wait until the foliage dies back, because any energy and nutrient and value that's in these leaves and in these stems will get drawn back down into the ginger root. So as when you do harvest your ginger root, it'll be packed solid, full of goodness. I will come back at harvest time so we can see the size and how much growth I did get out of the ginger root. Basically, it's a modified stem, so I'm going to call it a ginger root. And I'll look forward to seeing you then. Please like and subscribe, helps my YouTube world go round, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Oh, I'm not sure how to say this, but super thanks. I don't know if you know what super thanks is, but if you're watching this video, there's a button just below the video that says super thanks, and it's a way of offering me a couple of dollars if you want to help this channel grow. Any money I do receive through super thanks will be reinvested in the channel, whether it's been potting mix or pots or more garden beds, whatever. So if you like what I've been doing, or like what I am doing, then by all means please leave me a super thanks, and I'll make sure I get in touch with you. Cheers.